I think the biggest investment mistake being made right now is people are over trading, my opinion. Most people in the stock market are very emotional for one reason or another, and they see the stock market pretty much no higher than it was 2 months ago. Americans hate to wait, and they've just got to hit the buy and sell button. They've got to be doing something. It releases that quick endorphin in their head. They feel good in the moment, but then the trade pretty quickly goes against them, and they feel like garbage all over again. Meanwhile, I am here with you every single day, sharing real research and my thoughts, and I come to you very calmly every single day. It's one of the greatest reasons why people do business with me, and say like, hey, here's what I see happening because I'm doing my own research. I continue to say here, in the immediate to short term, I think it is possible for the stock market to chop sideways with a bias to the upside. Again, because according to my research, the short-term, immediate-term underlying emotions, that pendulum swing, is, around neutrality, a tiny bit of fear. So at that point, I do not have an advantage over the emotional people. That tells me to sit back on my hands and wait for the opportunity to come to me. If you have not been with me for very long, personally, I was last a buyer of my favorite stocks on December 19th and 20th when those underlying emotions were very negative and prices were falling. I personally was not a buyer on Monday morning when stocks had fallen nicely, but I did email my members and said, hey, for those of you that are more aggressive and have cash on the sidelines, because I have very little cash on the sidelines, could be an okay time to nibble. And here's what I continue to see. The McClellan Summation Index is a little better today than it was yesterday. Look at the S&P 500 and New York Stock Exchange maybe just turning higher after leveling out. That's wonderful. Heck, even the Russell 2000 there on the bottom, higher in the day. Great. I'd love to see more companies participating in this, albeit very short-term rally. And the NASDAQ 100 NDX has just continued to go higher. This is why I continue to say stocks could chop sideways with a bias to the upside. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. I'm very happy so far as of the middle of the afternoon, the dollar weaker again today. If it can close below and confirm below 107.05, I personally think that's bullish for the markets. The US 10-year yield down big as of the middle of this afternoon, so far confirming the breakout below 5.54%. How long have I shared that line with you? And even so far making an unconfirmed breakdown below 4.43%. If we can close around here today and close meaningfully lower tomorrow, I think that's good news for the stock market in general. Specifically on the NASDAQ 100 QQQ, as of about 2:41 in the afternoon, not making a confirmed breakout just yet. Let's see how it finishes on the day. So far, not making a confirmed breakout. You know me, the bullish cases are if it makes confirmed breakouts above points 1, 2, 3, and 4. The bearish case is that it breaks down from here, and very bearish if it confirms below about $513 a share. Gold continuing to move higher today after confirming the breakout yesterday. The sky is the limit on gold. I have no idea how high it can go. Am I in gold right now? No. US oil again in an unconfirmed breakdown below $72.34 a barrel. You know me, I was short oil for about 3 weeks. I exited my short position yesterday. So God bless you if you're still in this trade. An unconfirmed breakdown is great. I'm now looking for a even lower close tomorrow to confirm the breakdown. If we get it, crude could go down to about $69.21 a barrel. Watch these levels. I personally don't see any big market moving companies reporting their earnings after hours today, so just continue to relax.